So, ano po, what I should do as cancer patient, I was given this regimen, doxorubicin, but my hair, it fell a lot. But they say all this hair will fall off. So look at it while I still have hair. I also took cisplatin, the IV. That's why everything I eat is metallic. I have sores because chemotherapy, they say, is a poison. It kills the cancer cells, but it also will kill some of your healthy cells. But the issue right now is we have to attack the cancer. The 16 cm mass, doctor says it is inoperable. Too many blood vessels already attached to it. I thought last week I was dead already. In the Philippines, I do not know if I will live or I will die. This is not about issue about country. Wala po. Parang God's will lang to. So, you judge, you bash, you do. Sa akin lang if you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. I just ran for vice president. What did I do wrong? I did not do anything wrong. I love every one of you. I'm doing this for the Philippines. Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is the Filipino worth dying for. Gusto ko tumakbo pero paano ka tatakbo? Sabi ng doktor ko, Kenneth, hindi ka na makakahabol. You have no more time. I need 2 to 3 months before they say if I will live or I will die. I was close to death 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I was having visions of war already. They say I was delirious. They say I was insane. I had many mental exams. So ito po, this is what you do if you have cancer patient. You have to try and try, get the best doctor, get the best diagnosis wherever in the world, US, UK, wherever you go. Nahihiya, I am just ashamed. You know why? Because I am lucky to have some money and people supporting me. You know my medicines, how expensive? I'm taking meropenem, carbapenems, one of the highest antibiotics. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. I'm sorry. Nakita nyo, why is my voice like this? Why is my voice like this? Wala na ako boses. Na-dry na ako. Paus na ako. The old Doc Willie is gone. The duwag Doc Willie is gone. This is the new Doc Willie. This is the matapang Doc Willie Ong. Kaya pag sabihin nyo duwag at pagtok si Doc Willie, yun yung luma ha. Iba na to. Pasensya na po mga politiko. Masasagasaan ko na kayo ngayon. Anyway, ako, pagat ko dila ko, mas mali siguro sinabi mo, Dok. Anyway, I'm dying. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I will tell you the truth. Politicians are corrupt in the Philippines. Sorry po kaibigan ko kayo lahat. Pasensya na po. Nagkaka-vision ako kagabi. I asked my doctor, every night I dream, there is a black hand trying to attack me. You can say I am crazy, okay lang. I do not have fear anymore. I don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth. Let me drink a little rose. Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All this food, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing. You should defecate, pass your bowels, and urinate every day. Get all the toxins out. You know what my doctor said? You can eat anything. You have cancer. You try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I will die. These are my medicines. I will take it in front of you. My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I